Fix emergency alerts notifications on Twitter. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix this easy and quick. Go to your Twitter, click on your profile, settings and privacy, click on notifications, click on preference, click on push notifications, scroll down and you will find emergency alerts. You have here, you can turn off or on this option, easy and quick, to fix your emergency alerts on your Twitter application. This is it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you on the next video.